Hello YouTubers, got a new do-it-yourself project here. I found somebody throwing out an old tow strap, and they had thrown it in the garbage and stuff because it had tore in two, and there's a shorter section that's about 6 feet and a longer section that was 18 feet, and I thought to myself, I can fix that and have an 18-foot tow strap. So this end was tore off here with this end, and so I basically, this end still had a triangle on it, stuff for pulling. So I took parts from an old grocery cart and welded them together to make a third triangle hook for the end of this, folded it over, and then I hand stitched this part of the strap using a what do they call it, Speedy Stitcher sewing awl, I think it is, and some of that heavy kind of twine, wax twine with it, and I stitched all that up in kind of a zigzag and stuff stitch, just kind of like this other one here, stuff that should hold pretty well. And I use these clamps here. Oops. Use these clamps here, and you can even take off the handles there if they get in your way. You can take those off, so it's just the clamps holding on. But I use those to kind of hold it together while I was sewing. So then I painted the new triangle and stuff, welded it together from an old broken grocery cart parts. And I also have this other strap here too, and I'm thinking about maybe using that because it's 6 feet long and it's pretty wide. And this strap will hold up to 5,400 pounds of pulling weight. So I'm even thinking about making another shorter one out of this that can be like a tree anchor strap or something like that. That would work really well for that, and I just need to make a few more triangles and stuff to do that out of this. So anyways, you never know what you might find that other people are throwing away that you can use as a do-it-yourself project and make something for you. I did this in basically just a short evening and stuff, welding this together, painting it, and then stitching this in the evening while I'm sitting there watching YouTube videos. So you can do it too. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know if it fails, but it should hold. And anyways, it makes an extra strap for me to have in my vehicle. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Appreciate it. Thanks.